Before we start, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Hi, I am Priya Kaushik and I welcome you all on Skin Clip. So guys, today we're going to talk about suntan, how to deal with it, how to prevent it, and so on so. So guys, whenever your skin is exposed to UV rays, that is sunlight, so you'll get tan. So for that it is really important that you apply sunscreen in every season. Say it's monsoon, it's winter, indoors, you're outdoors, you're traveling by a car or whatever it is. If you think that your skin is not exposed to these UV rays, so then do not need to apply sunscreen. No, because UVB rays do not penetrate through glasses, but UVA rays do penetrate and your skin somehow is exposed to that rays, so it's really important to apply sunscreen. And if you're outdoors, then applying just once in a day is not adequate. You need to reapply it every 2 to 3 hours. That is really important. And with that, it is equally important that you carry your umbrella or your hats or your gloves or these full sleeves shirts or something, because sunscreen can only can protect you from these UV A and B rays, but they don't protect you from these infrared rays and these visible rays. So it is really important. And with that, you make sure that you add these colorful and bright colored fruits in your diet, like everything that is red, yellow and orange, these bright colors. So you need to add these things because they are very rich in antioxidants and they also protect you from getting tan. And after that, you can also take supplements like vitamin C supplements. They also do a trick to prevent tan, so you can also take that. So now let us discuss that if you have tan, now how to deal with it. So tan will go by itself. Maybe it takes 3 weeks or it may take 3 months also, but don't worry, it will go. And what do you do now? You can apply yogurt. You can take yogurt and apply that all over your entire body, like wherever the area you are tan. So you can apply it there and just keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then just rinse it off. You can do this. And second thing that you can do is you can make a papaya scrub. You can take some mashed papaya and mix honey in it and then just apply all over your exposed area. You need to keep it also for 10 to 15 minutes and then just rinse it off. So you can do this thing also. So this is quite successful in treating tan. Like these are some of the DIYs. But if you do not want to go with DIYs, like if you don't rely on DIYs, then what to do? Then there's an option of some sort of chemical peelings like fruit peelings, and there's MDA, microdermabrasion, that we do in our clinic, so you can go with that. And if your tan exceeds more than 3 to 4 months, then it's not tan, it's pigmentation. So that's a call that you need to visit your dermatologist. So yes, go and get rid of your tan, and if it's pigmentation, go consult a dermatologist. Until then, take care, stay safe and stay connected.